Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you some crochet item. I hope you'll like this item. These items as a gift, my sister gave it to me from Bangladesh. Her name is Brishti. So thank you so much, Brishti sister, for giving me such a beautiful gift, and I'm so happy, I'm so glad. So I like her crochet work. Look at this top, she made it. It's really nice, so many flowers here and very colorful. This is the keyring, she gave it to me with heart, and another one is ice cream and donut. So it's really nice, it's really pretty. So I want this one show my doorbell. That's why I need a thread. So I cut a piece of thread, then I join with this top, then I'll put in my door. So if you want to make this heart-shaped keyring, I have a tutorial in my channel. You will find it and you can see the tutorial and you can make it very easily. I love this keyring, it's really cute. Now I join a piece of yarn, you can see two side I do two knot. Now I can hang with my door. It will be so beautiful. I have already one, but this is the another one I want to put my door. So this is the another one. I make this one before long time ago. Now I will put this one over here, so it's look more beautiful. I love crochet flower. It's so pretty and so colorful.